Black Sea coastline. Anyway, my chain is very loose now. I tried to adjust it and I'm at the end of the thread, so I can't do any more adjustments. I'm thinking I stop in Istanbul to get a new chain probably. I will see. That chain is at its end of its life, definitely. So let's continue. On the road again. 18 degrees. Sometime after 12 o'clock. And off from Samsun. The traffic very busy this morning. Lovely weather, not as hot as in, I can't speak today. Not as hot as down there in Antalya, Alanya region. So come on, red light. We're here for ages. Finally. Chain's not good. I just need to find a place to stop somewhere in the quiet to deal with the chain. It's loose like hell. Oh, that just goes to the port. Oh, these ships are wonderful. No, I don't want to go to the port. No. Right when you need to turn, someone shows up and turns there. Let's just get out from here, out of the city. Let the day turn out to be how it's supposed to be. I'm looking forward to go out of this madness. Let's just get out from here and see what the coastal path would be like. Come on, go for fuck's sake. I'd rather do this for the next 10 kilometers than that. Oh, look, waves. Ocean. Sea. Black Sea. Anyone fancy to take a dip in the sea? Come on. Oh. That doesn't work either. Let's do this. Now even the traffic can be enjoyed. It's actually fairly good. Just how long this resort town city still will be. And is it still Samsun, or is it already something else? I don't mean by any chance it's spoiled, but it's very resorty-ish, which probably is a good thing. I love the speed limit of 82. Why 82? I'm thinking, is it conversion from miles? I don't know. Black Sea coastline. Anyway, my chain is very loose now. I tried to adjust it and I'm at the end of the thread, so I can't do any more adjustments. I'm thinking I stop in Istanbul to get a new chain, probably. I will see. That chain is at its end of its life, definitely. So let's continue. I will try to be very easy on the motorbike today. So that nothing happens. Hello? Hello?
Hello. Welcome.
Ah, really?
Yes.
Is it the 90 road? I was doing something like 90. Like, basically as the other cars. Okay. Okay.
Yes. Drive license.
Yabancı motor geldi mi?
Ducati.
Ducati.
Huh? Okay, so I got challan. I think something like 400 liras. The police were very nice. I helped them to fill in the form information. It was so much paperwork. And then they wished me good journey. So I apologized for speeding, thanked them, and off I go. Then I asked them on the way that whether there is a motorcycle service. They said yes, there is one in Gerze, not far away from here. Gerze, not Gerze, Gerze. Oh, this is lovely. Hello. After a quick drive in Gerze, I am arriving at the service place for my bike. It is a family-owned service run by Yasin and his father. A quick inspection of the bike confirmed that I need a new chain. Yasin ordered the chain from Istanbul and managed to send it to Gerze for the next day. So I stayed an unplanned night at a hotel in Gerze, and of course I went out for an evening walk, had a delicious dinner and crashed to bed. Good morning everyone. I had a good night here in Gerze. Now Yasin from the service just wrote me a text message that the chain for my Ducati Multistrada just arrived, so I am going there now for the service. I will do the oil change as well because it's been too many times too long when I was replenishing oil and there was a lot of dirt and dust along some of the roads. So oil change and the new chain for my motorbike, and then we will hit the road. Okay, bye bye. Take care, bye bye. Thank you, bye. Allah Hafiz, Allah Hafiz. Take care, bye bye. Yeah. Cheers. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. You helped me a lot. Now my bike has a new chain. Feels great. They changed the oil as well. So even the motorbike fine yesterday was good for something. I asked the police officers where is the bike service, and they said here in Gerze you will find one. And as a result I found these guys, otherwise I wouldn't have had. So this is the God's planning, you know, this is the God's planning. Oh, driving school, no, blimey. Now look at the beautiful coastline. So this was another adventure, great experience, very pleased with the hospitality of people in Turkey, very hospitable people, very kind and loving. And I'm glad I found such a nice service. So father and son ran this business, had a lot of tea, a lot of good chats, as much as we could have had with Google Translate. It was such a wonderful experience. It was. And with my bike fixed, I continued all the way to Zonguldak, again on the Black Sea coastline, and I stayed the night there, but more about that you will see in the next video. I see you there. Bye.